Sushi Boat Restaurant on Drury Street in San Francisco. See? It's where you pick whatever sushi you want off the boats as they go by. I picked this, which is some kind of octopus with some kind of fish burn on it. It was very strange. This is good. This is maguro, also known as red tuna, and it's very delicious. Now, I'm allergic to wheat, so I can't have soy sauce, so at least not that kind. Oh, it got all over my hand. Well, that was really good. It's also good with some sushi ginger. I like when they have the type of ginger, as you can see, this has not been dyed with red dye, like some ginger at some restaurants. And their tea is also very good. Now this here is hamachi. Hamachi is yellowfin tuna, and this is one of the most delicious forms of sushi. This is called nigiri, which is a piece of sashimi over rice. Now when you have a piece of sashimi by itself, it's just called sashimi. So I'm going to take some of this ginger and put it on top of the nigiri, hamachi, and eat it. That was absolutely delicious. But after I picked it up off the boat and ate it, I looked at the menu, and I saw something on the menu that's one of my absolute favorite things. It's actually a lot of people's absolute favorite things. This is uni, and this is actually a sea urchin. Now this has a delicious flavor, but it has a texture that a lot of Americans would think was strange or not to their liking. It has a very gooey, slimy texture, but it has such a delicious flavor. It's absolutely unbelievable. This is considered to be a delicacy in Japanese cuisine. This is considered to have the flavor of umami, which is the flavor of deliciousness that's considered to be the sixth flavor in Japanese. So, let me try it. Now I can't eat one of these in a single bite. I have to take small bites of it. It's absolutely delicious. It has an indescribable yummy flavor. And this one does not nearly have as bad of a gooey texture as some of the other ones I've eaten before. This one's actually not too gooey and slimy. So it's very good. It's one of the best unis I've ever had. And I recommend that if you're ever at the Sushi Boat Restaurant or any other Japanese restaurant, you try the uni. So at the end, they count your trays, and here there's a little guide. As you can see, each type of tray has its own price. So at the end, they count your trays, and as you can see, I've eaten 3 of the $3.95, 1 of the $1.95, and so on. And then they add on anything else you might have eaten, and they bring you your check. Hopefully sometime soon. Yeah.